In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop. So if you're ready to bring your creative visions to life with one of the most popular graphics editing programs, let's dive right into it. To get started, open your favorite web browser and head over to www.adobe.com. This is the main hub for all Adobe products, including Photoshop. Once you're on the homepage, direct your gaze to the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. If you already have an Adobe account, you can go ahead and click Sign In. However, if you're new here and need to set up an account, there's no need to fret. Look for the option to create an account and click there. Setting up an account is a fairly straightforward process. You'll need to provide some basic information like your email address and a secure password. Follow the prompts, and before you know it, you'll be all set up and signed in. Once signed in, it's time to move on to the Adobe Creative Cloud. If you haven't installed it yet, don't worry. You'll be prompted to download it when you try to access Adobe's apps. Think of the Creative Cloud as your command center for all Adobe applications. Now, once you're in the Creative Cloud, navigate to the Apps tab at the top of the window. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of available Adobe applications. Take a moment to find Photoshop, which will be listed among the other apps. Once you've located it, you're almost there. You'll see an Install button next to Photoshop. Click on it, and now you can take a little break while the software downloads and installs. Depending on your internet speed, this process might take a few minutes, so be patient. It's important to let the installation finish completely. Doing anything else on your system during this time might slow it down, so maybe use this time to grab a coffee or stretch a bit. Once the installation wraps up, it's time for the exciting part, launching Photoshop. Go back to your Creative Cloud and click on Open next to Photoshop. If you're prompted to sign in once more, just use your Adobe account details that you set up earlier. Congratulations! You now have Adobe Photoshop running on your computer. You're just a few clicks away from exploring all the incredible features that Photoshop has to offer. Whether you're retouching old photos or creating brand new digital artworks, you now have one of the most powerful tools at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.